Increasing Market Employability is a 4-year program that aims to create jobs and increase incomes for unemployed and underemployed women and men in Macedonia, with a particular focus on youth.
The Increasing Market Employability program is currently one of the Swiss Agency for Development Cooperation's biggest economic development programs in Macedonia, implemented by Swiss Contact with the support of a local subcontractor, Prida Plus. The main objective of the program is income and job creation for young women and men, and the program is implemented in 3 sectors: tourism and hospitality, green economy, and the creative industries.
IME program tries to provoke systemic change in the selected sectors, and we do this in several ways. First, by extending the existing markets of the businesses. Secondly, we try to reach new market opportunities for the businesses. And thirdly, we are working on new, improved and innovative services and products demanded by the market. Last but not least, we are also working on creating a conducive business environment and regulatory framework for operating the businesses and enabling the businesses to grow in our selected sectors.
The tourism and hospitality sector of the Increasing Market Employability program in Macedonia is focused on tourism destination development, building capacity among local stakeholders, securing a productive business environment, and attracting domestic and international tourists.
Tourism and hospitality is the key sector for development in many countries. It is the main source for creation of income and jobs. We will be focused on development of 3 destinations, Ohrid, Krushevo and Mavrovo. We will assist them exploit the full potential of their cultural, historical and natural heritage.
Until recently, Mavrovo, the country's leading ski resort, lacked a targeted offer for families with children, even though it had strong potential for this type of tourism. The IME program coordinated between business and the public sector to launch the jointly financed family-specific packages.
Обуката за работа со деца, која што ја добивме преку IME програмата, ни подпомогна за продлабочување на соработката на Сдруженијето Applet and Venture со Националниот парк Маврово.
Сакам да истакнам во оваа прилика соработката со IME програмата на швајцарската амбасада, пред се со представниците кои ја водат оваа програма, кои што го детектираа Маврово како еден од 3 региони покрај Крушево и Ohrid, кој што има потенцијал за развој на алтернативниот туризам. И сметам дека нашата соработка со IME програмата, со Swiss Contact, представува една подолгорочна соработка која што веќе е подпишана до 2019 година.
IME wants to increase the number of domestic and international tourism arrivals, their overnights and the money they spend in the destination. This will increase the income of businesses and therefore create new jobs.
In June 2015, IME began replicating the process in a much more complex place, Ohrid, Macedonia's premium tourism destination. The focus of the locally established management working group is adventure travel, and the program is assessing the current situation, working closely with the Port Authority on safety measures and facilitating constructive dialogue on tourism-related infrastructure.
We will use destination development methodology pioneered by Swiss University of St. Gallen that will shift the approach from product-centric to client-centric perspective.
Tourism activities are being customized to fit tourist needs with the aid of Swiss adventure tour operators, which is expected to bring more tourists that stay longer and spend more. IME is also supporting the first regional Adventure Next conference to take place in Ohrid in May 2016, which will introduce local stakeholders in the 3 destinations to international tour operators.
Во соработка со IME проектот се подготвуваме за организација на Adventure Next ивент кој го организира АТА, која планира да донесе 45 купувачи и уште отприлike толку медиуми кои би ја промовирале Македонија понатаму и би ги продавале нашите производи во странство.